Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English second paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, substitution table plus punctuation, exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4. So my dear students, let's see class 6 subject English second paper. Topic substitution table plus punctuation, exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4. Term annual, lecture 13, SW12, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and this is messenger ID. So my dear students, let's start the class. Annual term, lecture 13. Number 1, make 4 sentences from the substitution table. So you have to make 4 sentences from the substitution table. Here in this box, in the place of subject, 4 subject is given and 3 verb is given, and third box 4 sentence is given. So here B means, we know, am, is, are, was, were. B means am, is, are, was, were. Okay. So if you find B in a sentence, it means am, is, are, was, were. Okay. So we have to make 4 sentences according to subject verb agreement based, and the sentence must be expressed a full meaning. That's very important. So if you make a sentence, I have given the answers here. So there B means was, there was a farmer in a village. Why was a farmer? That's why we have given was. He had, because past tense, see, he had a very wonderful goose. Number 3, the goose laid. The story is past tense, so all the verb will be past tense. The goose laid an egg of gold every day. But the farmer was, how many farmer? 1 farmer. So here will be farmer, spelling is mistake, F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. But the farmer was very greedy in nature. You know the story. We'll move to number 2. Make the 4 sentences from the substitution table. Truthfulness, a lie, never, today or tomorrow eat, we should. So 4 verb is given, and a third box, and another 4 sentences is given. So truthfulness is 1, that's why will be is. Truthfulness is the greatest of all virtues. A lie never lies, hidden for a long time. A lie, that's why verb will be past, present, indefinite tense. A lie never hidden for a long time. Today or tomorrow it comes. Subject is it, we are using comes. It comes to light. We should, after should we use based on the verb, so we should cultivate the habit of speaking the truth. Number 3, in this box we can see 4 subject, 4 verb and 4 extension or objects. So first, number 1, A, the town of Hamelin in Germany was faced with a great problem. The people of the town came to the town hall. They sat to the mayor to do something about. The mayor called a meeting of the councillors. So you have to look very carefully the subject verb agreement and the meaning of the sentences. Number 4, very easy. In this box you can see 4 subject is given, 2 verb is given, and 4 extension or object is given. So here B is given, and B means we know am, is, are, was, were. So time is, B means am, is, are, was, were. So time is valuable in human life. So this sentence presents present situations. That's why we are using is. It is, after it we use it is not possible to regain the lost time. Next one, number C, the proper use of time brings success in life. Number D, again the misuse of time brings sufferings in life. Okay, so we have finished number 4 also. Not possible to regain the lost time. Again, the misuse of time brings sufferings in life. Okay, so we'll move to punctuation marks. Punctuation exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4. You know what to do in the punctuation marks. Number 1, use appropriate punctuation marks and capital letters where necessary. Let's read. Bangladesh is a country full of natural resources. We are proud of our soil, forests, flowers, fruits and birds. It is a dreamland. Very easy one. So answer, Bangladesh, the country's name before the first letter of a country, always capital letter. Bangladesh is a country full of natural resources, full stop. Okay. Then we, after full stop, W will be capital. We are proud of our soil, forest. Because soil, forest, flower, different things, we have to use comma. Soil, comma, forest, comma, flowers, fruits and birds. Okay, full stop. Again, after full stop, I will be capital. It is a dreamland, full stop. Number 2, use appropriate punctuation marks and capital letters where necessary. Long ago, there was a sultan in Bengal. His name was Ghiyasuddin Azam. His capital was Sonargaon near Dhaka. He was a very just and kind ruler. The sultan's hobby was hunting. So, the first letter of a sentence will be capital. Long ago, comma. There was a sultan in Bengal, full stop. Bengal, B will be capital. After full stop, H will be capital. His name was Ghiyasuddin Azam. As Ghiyasuddin Azam, his name, all the first letter of the name will be in capital letter. On the proper noun, always we write proper noun with capital letters. First letter. Full stop, his capital, H will be capital, was Sonargaon, the name of a place. Proper noun, capital letter first letter. Near Dhaka, Dhaka proper noun, capital letter first letter. Full stop. He was a very just and kind ruler. H will be capital, and after ruler, full stop will be given. The sultan's hobby was hunting, full stop. T will be capital after full stop. Number 3, use appropriate punctuation marks and capital letters where necessary. Well, I help my mother to clean the house, and I also look after my younger sister Nova. How about you, Jenny? So here is a very important thing we have to look for. If we say something in a sentence, or a speaker says something to other speaker in a sentence, the speech, we put the speech in inverted comma, okay, inverted comma or quotation mark, okay. So, well, quotation mark is start, comma, I help my mother to clean the house, and I also look after my younger sister, comma, Nova, the proper noun, in will be capital, full stop, and quotation mark close. And a very important thing, I always will be in capital letter in a sentence. Okay. Again, how about you, Jenny? How about you, Jenny? Another quotation mark is start, because another speaker says this. How, H will be after quotation mark, first letter will be capital. How about you, comma, Jenny, the proper noun, first letter will be capital. As this is a interrogative sentence, we will put question mark at the end of the sentence, and then quotation mark close. Here start, here close. Number 4, Use appropriate punctuation marks and capital letters when necessary. Alexander said to Porus, do you desire to be treated like a king and you have nothing to request? Asked Alexander. No, replied Porus. So in this sentence also we find two speakers. One is Alexander and another is Porus. So we have to use quotation mark or inverted comma. So Alexander, the proper noun, will be capital letter first letter. Alexander said to Porus, Porus, proper noun, first letter will be capital comma. How, quotation mark start, how do you desire to be treated? So question mark, as this is the interrogative sentence, and quotation mark close here. So Porus says, quotation mark start because this is says with another speaker, like a king, L will be capital, like a king, full stop, quotation mark close, and quotation mark starts again, and you have nothing to request, quotation mark, and this is another question mark, and you have nothing to request, well, question mark and quotation mark close. Asked Alexander. Alexander is a name, that's why we're using first letter and capital letter. So and then Porus says, quotation mark start, no, comma, quotation mark close, replied Porus. So Porus here in capital letter first word. Okay, so proper noun always will be in capital letter in the sentences. Okay, we'll move to the homework today. Okay, homework 12, submit on Sunday. Substitution table exercise 5, 6, 7 and 8. Punctuation exercise 5, 6, 7 and 8. So my dear students, we have provided you the suggestions in our Facebook page. Maybe I hope you have already downloaded the page. So in your suggestion you will find in the substitution table I have given 8 exercise. So exercise 5, 6, 7, 8 you will do SW. Substitution table, make 4 sentences from the substitution table. This table starts with ones there. Okay, number 6, substitution table starts with ones there and invited. Second box, to appoint an honest and as his story collector. Okay, number 7, make 4 sentences from the substitution table. It starts with playing games and sports. Number 8, make 4 sentences from the substitution table. It starts with health. Okay, so you will find 5, 6, 7, 8 exercise in your suggestions, and punctuation also. Punctuation exercise 5, 6, 7 and 8. Number 5, use appropriate punctuation marks, capital letters when necessary. It starts with Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh. Number 6, it starts with the next morning. Number 7, it starts with can I have a look at your paper. Number 8, it starts with the teacher said to the student, why do you make a noise in the class? So my dear students, I'm telling for the last time, homework 12, submit on Sunday, substitution table exercise 5, 6, 7 and 8, punctuation exercise 5, 6, 7 and 8. So my dear students, do your SNSW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 am to 4 p.m. in the school library. You will also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 am to 4 p.m. in the school library. You know your SW is very important because we are giving SBS City and Diary mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. We are giving 2.5 mark each of your SW copies. That's all for today. Keep practicing at home. About bad parents. Stay safe. Stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.